IntractERP has a feature for collecting, viewing, and maintaining data regarding fees. Let us understand the different fee settings first. When you click on Fees feature on the left hand side, you can go to Fee settings from here. The first setting is fee category. Here you will have to make different fee categories for the student like open, OBC, etc. Here you can see a fee category which is created, that is old admission. When you want to create these different categories, click on the add fee category button at the right side and give the category a name, a code. Remember, this code must be an unique code, and select the classes which you want to assign the category to or allocate the category to, and you will also have to select or give permissions like if allow pending fee collection from previous or other sessions is turned on, you can directly see and collect fees from previous years if any backlog is there. If restrict fee collection from current session, if fees pending from other sessions is enabled, this will allow you to restrict the fee collection from the active year if the backlog fees from previous years is enabled. Restrict custom amount permission gives you an option to enter a custom fee amount for anyone while collecting the fees, or and only full amount can be paid. Then click on submit. Beside categories, you can see allocate categories. From here, you can allocate the student the particular category you want to allocate to. For that, you will have to click on the drop down option at the right hand side under category and select the category you want to assign the student to. It is particularly useful when some special categories like General Maths 10 are available to only the standard 10 students. The next fee settings is fee particulars. This is all that you collect the fees for. For example, if you collect fees for transportation, then the particular transportation fees can be created here. These particulars will appear in the fee receipt as you collect the fees. To create a new particular or a new fee particular, click on the button Add Fee Particular and fill in the particular name. Give it a code. Select the classes. You have the option of marking the particular as dynamic. This will omit the particular feature from the generalized fee structure and will have to be assigned to each student manually. It is useful when the amount for the particular fee particular is dynamic for some student. Then click on submit. The new fee particular will be reflected here. The next fee settings is fee schedules. It simply means the total time of collection of fees. For example, the fees collected is yearly, half yearly or monthly. Then you can create a different schedule for each of them. To create a different schedule, click on add fee schedule, give it a title or the schedule name. Select the classes. You can add installments by giving different name. And also select the start and end date for the payment. Then click on submit. You can add various installments under one fee schedule. The next fee settings is fee structure. Under fee structure, you will have to make respective fee structure for every classroom. The fee categories which have been created will also be reflected under every classroom. For example, if you click on playgroup, you will see both the categories that have been created. You will have to fill in the amount for every fee particular in the classroom. So for that, first select a classroom, go to the particular fee category, then select, then under particular, click on the particular, select a fee schedule for the particular, click on save, then add the amount for the installments that have been created under the particular fee schedule. Then click on save installments. Likewise, you will have to follow the same procedure for all the fee particulars. This will show you the total fees that will be collected from students under the particular fee category. If you go back to fee structure and select another classroom, you will have to follow the same procedure for the particular classroom. The fee structure is compulsory for every classroom and you will have to do it separately. The last fee settings is fee receipt setting. There are general fee receipt settings you can see, and those are the very default fee. For that, click on the general fee receipt setting. You can see the title, selected categories, numbering system, and any images that have been uploaded, and other details as well. If you want to add your own particular or any fee receipt settings, then click on add fee receipt settings button, give it a title, select the categories. Here, the additional fee receipt settings that you are adding gives you an opportunity to auto number your fee receipt as per your wish. Then lastly, select the options here which show. Before clicking on submit, select the following options if you want them to appear on the fee receipt, which are show the total balance on fee receipt, if any concession you have given, then show concession on fee receipt, show academic year on fee receipt. If you want these things to appear on the fee receipt, make sure that these options are enabled and then click on submit. These new features will be These new features will appear here under the particular title which is given to the particular fee receipt. You can view them and you can make any changes if you have. This is all about the different fee settings that one should understand. Thank you.